Mom, he always does.
Lay down,
See,
baby.
Mom?
Lay down. Lay down.
Oh, you're taking video?
Yep.
How did they do that all in one morning?
Pretty cool, huh?
I can't train Dan to use it. So lay
Train
down
him to
right
shake your hand.
Okay. Hey, Dan.
You have to get the treat for him. You have to go get a treat box and then grab his hand, shake, give him a treat, grab his hand, shake, give him a treat. No, you have to drop the hand.
Teach the band
Yep.
how to
Yeah, you need to give treats when you're teaching tricks.
Okay, so I get them.
Oh, you can do it later. It's kind of busy right now. I'll help you later.
We only have some gravel in one pit.
Mm-hmm.
What happens if there's fire and the gravel is still left?
I don't know.